Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best foot massagers that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Best Choice Products. Unlike most foot massagers, the Best Choice Products Shiatsu Foot Massager is used up to your ankles. Our reviewers praised the lengthy cord's flexibility and the option to customize your massage using pulsating, massaging, and rolling motions. Another distinguishing feature, according to our experienced testers, is the ability to modify the settings using the remote control. In addition, the open-ended foot areas are high enough to massage fatigued ankles, and the device is meant to target essential pressure points in the foot. It is important to note the magnitude of the pressure. Although our testers love this level of intensity, it may be a disadvantage for certain people, particularly those who have chronic pain or sensitivity. It's also fairly enormous, making it difficult to maintain and lug from room to room. At number 4. TheraFlow. The TheraFlow Dual Foot Massager Roller isn't flashy, but it gets the job done to ease foot pain and tension. Because the massager is manual, the level of pressure and comfort is easily determined by how firmly you insert your feet. However, one tester noted dissatisfaction with the fact that users can't relax on the couch while using the app. You have to exercise your feet to obtain benefits actively. It comes with 96 tiny nodules that act as trigger points and a foot reflexology chart that is used as your healing guide. 4 rows of textured rollers and 1 nubbed roller are positioned in an arch to simulate the natural position of your foot. The ridges are perfectly positioned to push into trigger points on your foot and relieve discomfort in all the right places. The anti-slip stripes on the bottom of the massager were a big hit with our testers. At number 3. Cloud Massage. While the Cloud Massage Shiatsu Foot Massager is unquestionably more expensive than some of the other options, it is incredibly versatile, delivering a foot massage in ones for your ankles and calves. In addition, it combines shiatsu therapy-style massage with heat to provide a complete pampering experience after a long day. There's also a built-in heat feature to warm up your feet during the massage, making it ideal for folks who are always cool, but our testers report it takes a long time to warm up, roughly 10 minutes. It's also weighty, according to testers, which limits portability. This cloud massager can help with many ailments, including plantar fasciitis, diabetic neuropathy, injury, heel spurs, workout recovery, and everyday discomfort and pain. Massage balls and air compression improve circulation, and a swinging function is used to relax stiff joints. Each one also has 3 levels of intensity so that beginners and advanced massagers can use it. At number 2. Miko. Do you prefer deep tissue massages or massages with long, steady strokes that target blood flow? With this Miko electrical foot massage machine, you may imitate both ways. It has 40 deep kneading nodes, a more relaxing sway function, and a customizable handlebar that allows you to position the machine to target your hurting feet, calves, or ankles. The Miko foot massager with switchable heat can leave your feet feeling rested and pampered. It includes many capabilities to give you a personalized massage, and it is worth the money because of the ease of setup and intensity levels. The Miko device includes 2 separate foot compartments with washable fabric covers. Once you've slipped your feet in, you can control the massager with the control panel on top of the device or the accompanying remote, a nice added feature, according to our tester, because it allows you to alter settings. At number 1. Etexity. The Etexity foot massager machine pampers your tired feet with pressure and kneading. It includes 2 roomy compartments that suit up to a size 12 men's shoe. When you turn on the gadget, rolling nodes begin massaging your soles and arches while cyclic air compression softly squeezes your feet for total relaxation. In addition, the foot massager utilizes mild heat to relax your muscles and ease tension. You can choose from 3 air levels of intensity and 3 massage speeds to obtain the perfect amount of pressure each time. However, the machine comes with a flawless design, owing to its relative lightness to other foot massagers. Although this may appear to be a little convenient, it makes it simple to store the machine, allowing you to hide it when not in use and transport it to your favorite relaxing chair once you are. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.